So Haley, we're now at house number 2, open house number 2, and where are we?
We're at 2318 North Prairie in the Lower Greenville section of Dallas.
Yeah, otherwise known as the cool kids part of town, right?
Yes.
So Karen and I, my wife Karen and I, we actually used to live in this area. So you're really close to Lower Greenville, you're close to Knox Henderson, you're right near 75, so it's freeway accessible. It is a great place to live. Amazing restaurants. Loro is a great kind of a Mexican cantina type style. Probably the best tacos, best Mexican food is EBar, which is not too far from here, just around the corner.
That's his favorite.
That's my favorite. Yeah. So, and actually, before we came here, I was able to actually experience a chicken sandwich Haley style. So, right? So.
Ketchup and pickle
Ketchup
only.
and pickles only. So you don't need mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is overrated, right?
It's definitely overrated.
Definitely overrated. So I just had ketchup on mine. It was delicious. It was awesome. All right, so Haley's gonna show us around the home, and yeah, we'll post this in a little bit. Take care.